In the warm waters of the Indonesian archipelago lies an island shaped by volcanoes, tropical rain, and the Indian Ocean. Turquoise seas meet towering cliffs, waterfalls disappear into rainforest, and brilliant green landscapes climb toward mountains wrapped in cloud. This is Bali, the island of gods. A place where ocean, jungle, and volcanic mountains come together across one of Southeast Asia's most distinctive tropical landscapes. Our journey begins beyond Bali's southeastern coast, on Nusa Penida. Enormous limestone cliffs rise almost vertically from brilliant blue water around an island carved by the sea. Green vegetation covers the plateau above, while narrow beaches appear far below the towering rock walls. At Kelingking, a dramatic ridge extends into the Indian Ocean above a secluded curve of pale sand. Turquoise water surrounds the headland before deepening into powerful shades of blue farther offshore. Along the eastern coastline, Diamond Beach rests beneath another immense wall of limestone. White sand, clear tropical water, and isolated rock formations create one of the island's most spectacular meetings of land and sea. Nearby, Atu Beach sits within a sheltered bay, enclosed by steep green cliffs. Offshore rock formations rise from luminous water, while the rugged coastline continues toward distant headlands. Across the channel, Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Keninga reveal a gentler tropical landscape. Clear turquoise channels separate small islands covered in palms and dense vegetation. Coral reefs create pale patterns beneath the surface, while deeper ocean water surrounds the islands in intense blue. Along the coast, cliffs alternate with small beaches and sheltered bays. Narrow strips of brilliant aqua water appear beneath green hills before opening toward the wider Indian Ocean. Back on Bali itself, the southern coastline rises dramatically around Uluwatu. Towering cliffs extend above deep blue ocean, where powerful waves arrive from across the Indian Ocean. Tropical vegetation covers the cliff tops, while beaches appear unexpectedly between immense walls of pale rock. As sunlight moves across the water, long sections of the coast glow beneath warm tropical skies. Waves form brilliant white lines against the blue sea, while distant headlands fade gradually into ocean haze. From Bali's coast, the landscape begins climbing toward the wetter mountains of the interior. At Sekumpul, multiple waterfalls descend from immense green cliffs surrounded by dense tropical forest. White streams of water appear between layers of vegetation before disappearing into the valley below. The surrounding mountains are almost completely covered in rainforest, creating an enormous amphitheater of green around the falls. Mist rises through the valley, while palms and tropical trees spread across the lower slopes. Farther west, Banyumala reveals a quieter side of Bali's highlands. Twin streams of water descend across a broad rock face into a clear pool surrounded by dense forest. Ferns, vines, and tropical vegetation cover the slopes, enclosing the waterfall within a deep green valley. Mountain streams continue through the surrounding forest beneath a canopy, softened by mist and rain. Here, Bali feels far removed from the bright beaches and dry cliffs of the southern coast. Higher into the mountains, Lake Buyan and Lake Tamblingen fill ancient volcanic landscapes. Dark blue-green water sits beneath forest-covered slopes where clouds frequently gather around the ridges. Dense vegetation reaches toward the shoreline, giving the lakes an almost untouched appearance. Morning mist can drift across the water, while mountains disappear and reappear behind passing cloud. Small boats and narrow clearings become tiny details against the scale of the surrounding forest. Farther east, Bali's volcanic origins become impossible to ignore. Mount Batur rises above an enormous caldera containing dark volcanic slopes, green farmland, and the blue waters of Lake Batur. Ridges surround the landscape like the walls of a vast natural amphitheater. Early sunlight spreads across the caldera and gradually reaches the mountain slopes. Lake Batur reflects the changing sky, while villages and cultivated fields appear between ancient volcanic formations. Beyond Batur rises the mountain that dominates much of eastern Bali. Mount Agung climbs dramatically above forests, villages, and agricultural land toward a summit frequently wrapped in cloud. From across the island, its immense volcanic cone appears above ridges that seem almost small beneath it. When the mountain emerges clearly, its scale transforms the surrounding landscape. Green valleys descend from its slopes toward rivers and fields, while the distant ocean remains visible beyond parts of eastern Bali. From turquoise coastlines to waterfalls, volcanic lakes, and mountains, Bali changes character remarkably quickly. The island's beauty is not contained along its beaches, but extends deep into an interior shaped by water and fire. And beyond these mountains lies the Bali that has shaped the island's image for generations. Brilliant rice terraces, misty valleys, temples beside lakes, and green landscapes where nature and culture seem almost impossible to separate. Beyond Bali's volcanic mountains, the landscape softens into immense shades of green. Rice fields follow the contours of hills and valleys, while palms rise between terraces fed by water flowing down from the highlands. At Jatiluwi, rice terraces spread across an enormous landscape beneath the mountains of central Bali. Layer after layer of brilliant green fields curves naturally around hillsides, creating patterns that continue far into the distance. Narrow waterways carry mountain water between the terraces, while palms and tropical forests divide sections of cultivated land. Beneath changing clouds, the fields shift between deep emerald and luminous green. Farther east, the Sideman Valley reveals another quieter side of rural Bali. Rice fields stretch between villages, rivers, and palm-covered hills beneath the enormous presence of Mount Agung. Small roads disappear through the valley while cultivated slopes rise toward forest and distant mountains. In clear weather, Agung towers above the entire landscape. Its volcanic cone rises beyond green fields and tropical vegetation, creating one of Bali's most powerful combinations of mountain and countryside. To the north, the highlands around Munduk are cooler, greener, and frequently wrapped in mist. Forested ridges surround deep valleys filled with plantations, rice fields, and tropical vegetation. Clouds move between the mountains while narrow streams descend toward waterfalls hidden below the canopy. Water is never far from these highlands. Rain gathers across the volcanic slopes before flowing through forests and fields, connecting Bali's mountains with the agricultural landscapes farther below. Near the center of the island, Lake Baraton rests beneath mist-covered mountains. The water stretches between forested slopes where clouds often descend almost to the shoreline. Reflections appear and disappear across the lake as changing weather moves through the surrounding highlands. Along its edge stands Ulundanu Baraton, one of Bali's most recognizable temples. Surrounded by water and backed by green mountains, its layered roofs seem almost to float when the lake rises around them. Yet the setting is as important as the temple itself. Water, mountain mist, and tropical vegetation create a landscape where Bali's spiritual traditions appear naturally woven into the environment. Farther south, rivers have carved deep valleys through the island's lush interior. Dense palms and tropical forest cover steep slopes, while rice fields occupy gentler sections above the water. Villages appear among the greenery, often almost hidden beneath trees. Across rural Bali, traditional compounds and small temples sit between cultivated fields and tropical vegetation. Stone gateways and shrines emerge naturally from landscapes shaped as much by everyday life as by tourism. The island's famous rice terraces are part of a much larger pattern. Water moves from Bali's volcanic highlands through networks of fields, linking mountain landscapes with communities across the countryside. Eventually, nearly every journey across Bali seems to return toward the sea. On the western side of the island, quieter coastlines stretch beneath forested hills and volcanic mountains. Darker sand, open beaches, and fewer large settlements create a different atmosphere from southern Bali. Farther offshore, the Indian Ocean extends toward an uninterrupted horizon. Fishing boats become small silhouettes against the water, while distant mountain ridges remain visible behind the coastline. Along Bali's southwestern shore, Tanah Lot rises from the sea on a rocky outcrop shaped by waves. At higher tide, ocean water surrounds the temple while surf breaks against dark volcanic rock below. As afternoon moves toward evening, Bali begins to change again. Warm sunlight spreads across rice fields, temples, and palm-covered valleys before reaching the western coastline. The ocean gradually turns from deep blue towards silver and gold. Long waves approach the shore beneath skies filled with tropical clouds, while palms become dark silhouettes against the falling sun. Across beaches and coastal headlands, the final light stretches far over the Indian Ocean. Offshore boats and distant islands slowly disappear into warm atmospheric haze. Then the sun reaches the horizon. Gold deepens into orange and red across the water, while clouds reflect the final light above the island. For a few moments, Bali's mountains, palms, and coastline become silhouettes beneath an enormous tropical sky. Bali's beauty isn't contained in one beach, temple, or famous rice terrace. It lives in the relationship between them: mountains feeding rivers, rivers crossing terraces, forests surrounding temples, and an island eventually meeting the sea. From the limestone cliffs of Nusa Penida to the waterfalls of the highlands, the volcanic slopes of Agung, and the green valleys below, every landscape seems connected to something larger. Perhaps that is why Bali has carried such a powerful identity for generations. Nature, culture, and belief are not separated here as easily as they might first appear. In the warm waters of Indonesia, surrounded by mountains, rainforest, and the endless Indian Ocean, Bali remains true to the name that has followed it around the world: the Island of Gods.